We often fear sharks in the ocean, but have you ever considered that a baboon on land could be far more lethal? Today we break down why these primates are underestimated predators. While common perceptions paint baboons as merely playful monkeys, scientific reality tells a different story. There are 6 distinct species of baboons in Africa, and every single one possesses the potential to be considered a dangerous animal if provoked. Let's look at the physical advantages that make them formidable. These heavy and strong creatures are among the largest monkeys in the world, equipped with sharp claws and formidable dog teeth, designed for tearing through tough vegetation. Even though they normally do not display aggressive behavior towards humans, the risk spectrum changes drastically when push comes to shove. Certain species are more naturally aggressive than others, but all can turn dangerous in a confrontation. Due to hybridization and overlapping ranges, their taxonomy is contested. Yet we know that the Kakma baboon in southern Africa can be divided into 3 specific subspecies. This genetic diversity adds layers to their complex social behavior. Understanding the risk spectrum means recognizing warning signals rather than assuming safety. When people ask if baboons are dangerous, they are really asking about a dynamic situation where respecting wildlife boundaries is your only defense. The most impressive fact is that despite their size and aggression potential, they remain fascinating subjects of study. They challenge our conventional beliefs about which animals truly dominate their environments with raw power. So there you have it. Baboons are a spectrum of risk, often underestimated. Which animal do you think is truly the most dangerous? Let me know in the comments below.